You know what? I did use those. Alright. So, I'm going to use the juice of a fresh lime. Now we got an onion, pepper. We're going to chop up a little piece of garlic. And then we're going to... I love tomatoes with my salmon. I don't... with this gravy, I need tomatoes with that. You feel me? I just do. A lot of it. A lot of it. Because they're going to stew down too anyway. Alright. I had a great day yesterday. But it took me off track. I spent the whole day at the studio. The whole day. Back to our Cajun. That's what I have the most of right now. And it tastes good, so why not? Get some Scotch bonnet peppers. And I think that is it for in here. You can see it's a lot going on in there. A lot going on. But that's my spice bag. Alright. And now all I need to do is chop up some garlic and we good to go. We can commence. Alright. Let's get this big old clove right here. This big old clove. You know what? I did use those. Alright. So, I'm going to use the juice of a fresh lime. And then we're going to get this underway. Let's just loosen up the fibers in there. But yeah, I do a lot. I'm always creating. Trying to make it make sense and put it together. Right? Yeah. Right. Lime juice, butter, salt. Not too much. Just enough to feel it. Now, we're going to let that reduce. And once we add that pepper sauce. Oh my God. Oh my God. Alright. Boom, here we go. Olive oil in the pan. Pan is on 7. Let's do this real quick. Get a little hot. Give that a segundo. You see, I ain't minced it there. I like them chopped. I want to taste my garlic in this. Hit them with it. Let me cook it a little bit. Peppers and onions. You see them, they turning that what kind of green would that be? They cooking now, and they're getting right. Alright. Yeah. I know I'm maturing because people would piss me off and I'd run. You ain't hear from me for 3 months. But now you don't piss me off. I try to seep everything in there, showing love. You're gonna add a little bit of salt to the fray. And boom. And my grandma used to have a pot of water boiling when she cooks at all times, because cold water does something to the taste of the food. It really does. But I have a filtered water hydration system in here. So we're just gonna put this hot water on blast for a minute. Alright. Everything's still stewing down. I'll give that a minute to do. Let's check on our okras. They are literally almost done. We turn them down. We don't need that high no more. We're just cooking these. Smells terrific. Hear me? Terrific. Alright. A little salt and pepper on the salmon. That's crazy. Alright, not crazy. Yeah, introduce them to the pan. Alright. Let that go a little bit. Whew, that was hot. Now we're almost ready to add it in. This meal used to be done with canned salmon when I was growing up. Could have been a struggle meal. I would have never known. And I wouldn't have cared. It was delicious. Too good. Alright. Dang it, we're not going to leave it as a garnish. I'm actually going to put that in there now. Heat up this rice. Put it with the salmon gravy. Put it with the okra on the side. Okay, we're good to go. Alright. The flavors are marrying each other. Right now, they jump in the broom. Hot water in. Just a little.